Hey guys, this isn't really an unboxing, but this is what I put in my Dodge Journey RT, and will also go in my Grand Jeep Cherokee 2019 next year. It's the Amp Pro 4 by PAC Audio, the AP4 CH31. So anyways, there's not a ton of videos on this thing, but what it does is it lets you basically hook up into any Dodge, Jeep, pretty much anything Chrysler, and Ford as well, with a few other vehicles out there that it does. And this will hook up in your system. You have to keep your amp, your factory amp, installed with this unit. There's a DSR1 that I was thinking about getting, but I heard it had a few glitches, so I actually went with this instead. This one you got to keep your factory amp in, but you can bypass it and hook up other amps, DSPs, or whatever you want to hook into. Whereas the DSR1, you could take your factory amp out of the equation and then pretty much do the same kind of thing, only the DSR1 actually had a Rockford 360.3, a version of that built into it. For me, I decided to go with this. This has you can spend $50 in Canada. I don't know what it is in the US. You can get the optical Toshlink adapter for it. So what I'm going to do that for, I'm going to use that to go right into the DSP that I'm going to get. Probably, like I said before, the Helix DSP Pro MK2. So I'm going to do that directly in there. And yeah, this unit works great. My system sounded, I would say a lot better, 10 times better than it did before I put this in. Before I was using another PAC audio piece, but it was kind of a piece of crap, to tell you the truth. It gave me audio, but there was all kinds of sound issues and all kinds of things that happened. So anyways, I took that out, put this in, and it cleaned up the signal perfectly. So there you go. If anybody has any Chrysler vehicle or Ford, this pretty much works on all of them. It's the Amp Pro 4, AP4, CH31. All right, thanks guys, bye.